everyone. Once again here we are here to continue the same class, that is class 10, subject compulsory mathematics, and we are in the chapter that is equation, linear equation, and I have written here previously we have done the 4-5 questions, yes, and 5 and 6 I have written here, and in the 5 number it is said that if the numerator of a fraction is multiplied by 4 and the denominator is reduced by 2, the result is 4. This means up to this, no? Up to this third line, it gives the condition first. Yes? Similarly, if the numerator of the fraction is increased by 10 and 2 is subtracted from the double of the denominator, the result is 5 by 4. Yes? Equals to 5 by 4, and this line gives the second condition. And it said that we are going to find the number. And since this is in the fraction, so we have to get. So question number 5, I will fill here. For the question number 5 solution, and first question number 5 solution, for that we have to let that first. Let the fraction number, or let the fraction be x upon y. Since it is in the fraction, that's why x upon y is there, and x, that is upon, that is the numerator, and downside is y, and that is the denominator. Yes, we have laid that first. So from the first condition, it is said that, yes, in the first condition, it is said that if the numerator of fraction is multiplied by 4, that means what? This numerator is multiplied by 4, so 4 into x, 4x, and the denominator is reduced by 2, and the denominator, that means y, is reduced. Reduced means decrease, yes, by 2. The result is 4. Is means equals to, is 4. This is the first one. Yes, from the first condition, unless y minus 2 is in the denominator in divide form, when both this side then it become multiply. So make that 4x equals to 4 into y minus 2. Yes, then after 4x equals to 4y minus 8. We get this. Yes or not? Yes or not? Yes. Similarly, then y equals to, and this 4. Yes. 4 is here multiplied, this side then it become divide, x equals to, and from here to that 4y minus 8 is here. Yes or not? From these two terms we can take 4 as a common or not. So let's reduce into the simple form at first. So y minus 2 upon 4 is there. We can cancel 4 and 4 up and down, and therefore we get what? X equals to y minus 2. This is the first equation. We simplify this, yes, at first. And if we make it a simple form, then it is easy to solve while solving the equation, no? And from the second condition, it is given that, yes. Now look at, if the numerator of the fraction is increased by 10, increase means we have to add that. So increase by 10, that is, yes, and 2 is subtracted from the double of the denominator. Denominator, that is double, 2y, 2 is subtracted from this, so minus 2. The result is 5 by 4 equals to 5 by 4. This is a match. Yes. Now here this 4 is in the divide, this side then is multiplied, and 2y minus 2 is here in the divide, this side then it become multiplied. Cross multiplication. Yes. So we get what? 4 into x plus 10, yes, equals to 5 into 2y minus 2. This is, yes, let's multiply them. We get what? 4x. This 4 multiplied with x also, with 10 also. That's why we get 4x plus 40 equals to 5 is here, 5 to the 10y minus 10. We get like this. Yes or not? Yes. So variable term one side and constant term next side. Yes. So 10y is here, it is in the positive, this side then it become negative. So minus 210y equals to, look here, 40 is in positive, this side then it become negative. Minus 10 is already there and minus 40. Yes? So we get what? 4x minus 10y equals to minus 50. Suppose this is the second equation. Yes? This is our second equation. Now we are going to solve the equation first and second. And in first equation we make it to the simple form, that means x equals to y minus 2. Yes, y minus 2 is there. So this is the value of x or not, and this value we substitute in the equation second, and we can find the value of y, and thereafter we can find the value of x. Yes, so solving equation first and second, yes or not, we are going to solve that. 4 and x is there, in place of x we can write y minus 2 minus 10y equals to minus 50. That is or not? Yes. So it become what? Here it is less space. Let's draw this at first. I will make that. Or we are missing that. That's why. Yes. Right. Or over here. Yes. Again. 4 into y. 4y. 4 to the 8 minus 10y equals to minus 50, remain the same. Yes. Now 4y plus 4y minus 10y, we get what? Minus 6y and 8. Look here, minus 8 is here. This side is that will become what? Plus minus 50 plus 8. Yes or not? We get like this. Minus 6y equals to minus 42. That is or not? If you subtract that, and minus we can cancel that, and y equals to what? 42 by 6. 42 by 6 means what? We get, yes, 6. How many is that? 42? 6, 7. Yes or not? Yes. And we get the value of y. That means the value of y equals to 7. And now, this value of y equals to 7, put in equation first, then we can find the value of x from there. Putting the value of y equals to 7, yes, in equation first. Let's put in equation first. Yes, so we get what? X equals to 7 minus 2. That means what? 7 minus 2 means we get the 5. This is the value of x. And our number is what? X upon y. That is our fraction number is x upon y. Therefore, the required number is x upon y equals to x means 5 and y means that is 7. X by 7. This is the answer. Yes, like this we are going to do that. And if so, yes, we can put the value of x equals to 5 and y equals to 7 either in condition first or in second. We can easily check them. No, if you put here 4 5s are 20. Yes, and y, that means 7 minus 2 5. 20 divided by 5 we get 400. It's true. Similarly in the second also, if you put that 5 plus 10 15 and here 2 7s are 14. 14 minus 2 we get the 12 or not? Yes, yes or not? 12. And if you divide by 3, yes, so we get 5 by 4 from here. Yes, similar. In this way we have completed the question number 5. Yes, and we checked our answer also, and both the condition, that is condition first and condition second, the answer satisfies that. That means what we have done is the true one. Yes, we can easily check that our answer. Now we are going to do the question number 6. Yes, for that look the question at first. It is given that, yes, in question number 6 it is given that 2 kg of tomatoes and 3 kg of potatoes cost Rs 290. Yes, and that is the first line, that is the first condition, and second line it is given that 3 kg of the tomato and 2 kg of the potato cost Rs 310. Then find the price of each per kg. That means what? 1 kg we are going to find out how much 1 kg of tomato cost and 1 kg of potato cost. We are going to find it, and for that we have to lay that first. 1 kg of tomato is what? 1 kg of potato equals to what at first. For the question number 6 solution, yes, we have to lay that and let the price of 1 kg of potato and 1 kg of tomato. This is not E is not here. Yes, sorry. Yes, 1 kg of the potato and 1 kg of the tomato be X and Y respectively. Yes, this is another, that is what? 1 kg of potato cost, yes, X, and 1 kg of the tomato cost Y. That is yes or no? We have laid at first. So from the first condition, 1 kg, here it is 2 kg, that is 2 into 1, we get the 12, and 1 kg cost X. That's why from the first condition, yes, from the first condition we can write 2 into X, yes, plus 3 kg of potato, and potato is Y, so 3 into Y cost. If you, that means the 2 kg of tomato and 3 kg of potato cost together this, no, together this they cost the 220, sorry 290. So 2 kg, that is 2x plus 3y equals to Rs 290. That is, yes, this is our first condition. Yes, and from the second now, from the second, or we can simplify this also at first. From the second condition, it is given that 3 kg of tomato and 2 kg of potato. Now 3 kg of the tomato. Look at 3 kg of tomato, and we have supposed that. Sorry. We have supposed here potato at first. So let's write this. I will written like this. Potato at first, and potato is X, and according to the question, that means 3x plus 2y equals to Rs 290. I have written there potato at first, for the potato X and tomato Y. That's why, yes. From the second condition, yes, 3 kg of tomato is Y and potato is X. That means what? 2 kg, that means 2x plus 3y equals to Rs what? 310. This is the first, and let's simplify this. If you do that substitution method, that is easy for us, no? That's why let's find the value of x from here, no? So 2x equals to 310 minus 3y. Yes, x equals to 310 minus 3y upon 2. Here 2 is multiplied, and suppose this as the second equation. Yes, and that it makes our what solving method that is easy, no? To solve them easily we can do that. Yes, now solving equation first and second. If we solve this both equation, we have the value of x equals to 310 minus 3y upon 2, and let's substitute this value of x in equation first. Yes, so we get what? 3 into 310 minus 3y by 2. This is plus 2y equals to 290. This is a lot. Yes. Now this 3 is here, and this 3 multiply with this both. Yes. So we get what? If you multiply this, 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. That means what? 930 minus 3 threes are 9y upon 2 plus 2y equals to 290. That is a nut. Yes? Now, look this. 2 is in denominator, here it is not. So take the LCM at first. So it become what? 930 minus 9y plus these two multiply with these two, so it become what? 4y, yes, this is 4y equals to, and these two is in divide, this side and it become multiply, and we get what? 2 zeros are 0, 2 nines are 18, carry 1, 2 twos are 4 plus 1, and we get like this. Yes or not? And now let's solve. Take the variable one side, that means one side, and numerical values next side. Let's do this. I will do here. Yes. Then we get what? Minus 9y plus 4y. We get what? We get minus 5y equals to 930 is positive. This side then will become negative. We get what? 580 minus 930. That is a nut. We get like that. Yes. Now let's then, after this, minus 5y equals to what? Let's subtract at first. Yes, this 930 is greater, it has the negative side, so negative sign at first, and let's subtract this. 930 in the row, let's do 580. Yes, when we subtract this, 0, 0, we get 0, and here it is 3 and 8, so it takes the carry, it becomes 13. 30 minus 8 means what? We get 5, and 8 is remain 8 minus 5 we get what? 3. That is what? 350. So minus 350 we get this. Yes, I have done in the rough. Yes. Now look this, minus minus we can cancel, and y equals to what? 350 by 5. That means y equals to what? 7 5s are 35 and 1 0 is there. This is, so we get that, therefore y equals to, this is in the RS, that is 70. Lastly we have to write the, if you put the value of y equals to 70 in equation second, we can find the value of x from there. Putting the value of y equals to RS 70 in equation first. Yes, if you put that, then we get x equals to 310 minus 3 into 70 by 2. That means what? 310 minus 210 divided by 2. That means we get what? 100 by 2, that is RS 50. This is a number. Yes, so we find the value of x and value of y, and what we have read, according to that we are going to write. Therefore, lastly, yes, therefore the price of 1 kg of potato and 1 kg of tomato is RS 50 and RS 70 respectively. This is the required answer. Lastly, we have to add the conclusion. Don't forget that. Yes? In this way, we have done that. That means if we add them, look here, to check the question also, put the value of x and y in the condition first, in the condition second, we can easily, that means what? If these two values satisfy the first and second condition, then that means what we have done, that is the true, you know? Yes? So 5 and 6, we have completed this, yes? On the basis of that, now I request you to do the exercise on the basis of that. I want to two questions That means two models have remain there, which we will do in the next classes. Thanks for watching this class. Thank you.